Hello, and welcome to this walkthrough of the Safe People Registry from the researcher's persona. So this is what it looks like when you first register and log onto the system. You will find a number of Ghostbusters on our test site. You can come over here to identity, you can update your name, you can change email, you will have to verify this email. We recommend using a personal email account so that you can keep the account as you move from perhaps job to job or location to location. You put in the location that you are in. You can come over here, and if you have an ORCID identifier, you can add it here. You can upload your CV. That's very useful for a number of custodians. You can add as much information as you like. We've played around a lot with this. With adding affiliation, so you can add your employer or institute information. You can come down here, go to add an organization. You can select it from the drop-down menu. This is, of course, our test site, so we have a lot of tests on here. If they're not on the system, you can actually invite them. And then you can stick an email address of like a head of department or some sort of organizational contact. They get sent an invite and then they can forward that along to the correct person. Otherwise, you select them from the drop-down menu. You put when you started working for them or being educated by them, your end date if you know it. If it is your current organization, you can add your relationship, you can say what role you have, your ID, and then the all-important email address. This is your professional email address associated with that employer. When you've put in that information, it will then we'll send you an email for you to go and verify that information. And then once you've done that, it then kicks off an affiliation request to your organization. Additionally, if you are inviting an organization onto the system, we've worked very hard to give you full visibility of what's happening. If you've invited the organization onto the system, you can actually watch them registering in real time. So it would go from org invited. Once they've then onboarded onto the system, this will eventually then switch to pending as they're going to validate you. And once they validated you, it would go to green for affiliated you rather. We also have training sites. This is where you can add training courses that are related to sensitive data work. You can add any professional memberships. If you're an accredited researcher, you can tick this box. So that's what goes into your training. And then if you do all this work, which we hope doesn't take too long, it also gives you a live project register. So any projects that a custodian has added you to, you will get to see in this list. You can go into the project, see what information they have posted across the 5 safes, safe project, safe data, safe settings, safe outputs, and of course yourself as the safe person in the project. You also get to monitor in real time if they're recording their project status. You can go from pending to project approved to, in this case, project completed. You can also monitor your validation status. Have they approved or validated you as a safe person to start accessing the data? So you can again monitor that in real time across your different projects. So that's the researcher flow for the Safe People Registry.